This is Arjanizi and you have tuned into Funtoodio, the Fun Time Radio. As expected, we are back with Space Ventures Part-3. In this series of space ventures, we are on a journey of exploring the celestial bodies, stars and galaxies. In Part 3 of our wonderful journey, we'll be exploring the Jovian planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So let's begin a thrilling adventure. You are listening to Funtoodio, the Fun Time Radio. Space Ventures Part 3, Jovian Planets. Stay tuned. You might be eager to explore the Jovian planets. But before that, let's first know what Jovian planets are and how they are distinguished from the others. Beyond our solar system's frost line, 4 massive planets reside: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These planets share certain characteristics that differ greatly from the terrestrial planets. The name Jovian planets describe the planets that are Jupiter-like. These planets are sometimes also called gas giants or ice giants. A Jovian planet is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium gas with varying degrees of other heavier elements. Most of these giants have large moon systems. They possess ring systems as well. The Jovian planets also have lower densities because they are composed of gas. Another common feature of gas giants is their lack of a surface when compared to terrestrial planets. Due to the difference in structures and compositions, Jupiter and Saturn are now termed as gas giants, while Uranus and Neptune as ice giants. You are listening to Funtoodio, the Fun Time Radio. Space Ventures Part 3, Jovian Planets. Stay tuned. Now that you know what Jovian planets are, come, let us explore them. The first planet to visit is Jupiter, the largest of all planets. Tanmay will take you to this gas giant.
Hi everyone, this is Tanmay. Now I am going to take you to Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. It is the 5th planet from the Sun. It is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is named after the king of the ancient Roman gods. It is similar to a star, but it never got big enough to start burning. A day on Jupiter goes by in just 10 hours. A year on Jupiter is same as 11.8 Earth years. Jupiter has 79 confirmed moons, out of which Ganymede is the largest. Jupiter has a very thick atmosphere. It is covered in swirling cloud stripes. It has big storms like the Great Red Spot, which has been going on for hundreds of years. Jupiter has been known since ancient times because it can be seen without advanced telescopes. Jupiter has been visited or passed by several spacecrafts, orbiters or probes such as Pioneer 10 and 11, Voyager 1 and 2, Cassini, New Horizons and Juno. You are listening to Funtoodio, the Fun Time Radio. Space Ventures Part 3, Jovian Planets. Stay tuned. Next, Nikita will take you to a magical planet, Saturn, a planet with rings. So let's get going.
Hi, I'm Nikita and I'm going to tell you about Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is named after the Roman god of wealth and agriculture. Its astronomical symbol represents God's sickle. It is the most distant planet that can be seen with naked eye. One day on Saturn goes by in just 10.7 hours. 1 year on Saturn is same as 29 Earth years. 82 moons are known to orbit Saturn, out of which 53 are officially named. Titan is Saturn's largest moon. Saturn could float on water as it is mainly made up of gas. The planet has prominent ring system, with 7 main rings composed mostly of ice particles with smaller amount of rock debris and dust. Saturn's atmosphere is toxic for humans to breathe. 4 robotic spacecrafts have visited Saturn, including Pioneer 11, Cassini, and Voyager 1 and 2. Thank you.
You are listening to Funtoodio-The Fun Time Radio. Space Ventures Part-3 Jovian Planets. Stay tuned. Let's now head towards Uranus, a very interesting planet. Manish will take you to the same.
Hi, I am Manish and I will take you a trip around Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference of the Greek god of the sky, Uranus. It has the third largest planetary radius in the solar system. Like all other planets, Uranus is visible to the naked eye, but it was never recognized as a planet by ancient observers because of its dimness and slow orbit. Uranus takes about 17 hours to rotate once and about 84 Earth years to complete an orbit of the Sun. Uranus has 27 moons, which are named after Shakespearean characters. The atmosphere consists mainly of molecular hydrogen and helium. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune. The size, mass, and rotation of Uranus and Neptune are in fact so similar that they are often called planetary twins. Thank you.
You are listening to Funtoodio-The Fun Time Radio. Space Ventures Part-3 Jovian Planets. Stay tuned. Last but not the least, Mayank will take you to Neptune, the farthest planet in our solar system.
Hi everyone, I am Mayank and now I will take you to the planet Neptune. The ice giant Neptune is a dark and cold planet whipped by icy winds. It is the eighth and most distant planet in our solar system. Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune is the only planet in our solar system not visible to the naked eye. It was first predicted by mathematics before its discovery. One day on Neptune takes about 16 hours. It makes a complete orbit around the Sun in about 165 Earth years. Neptune has 13 moons, out of which the 5 smaller moons are unnamed. Neptune has an icy surface. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly of hydrogen and helium with just a little bit of methane. In 2011, Neptune completed its first 165-year orbit since its discovery in 1846. Thank you.
You are listening to Funtoodio-The Fun Time Radio. Space Ventures Part-3 Jovian Planets. Stay tuned. With this, we come to the end of our expedition. We hope you loved visiting these planets as much as we did. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to smash that like button and also share the video with your friends. Also tell us about your experience in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it right now and do hit the bell icon so you are notified each time we air. Next week, we'll be back with a new video. Stay tuned.